All right, so here's another wonderful activity. It's called Spell, and let's see how that works. So we're going to hit Start, and it wants you to spell the phrase. So the picture's there. That is what? A baby. You hit Enter. This is an old woman. So this is really a fantastic way to learn how to both spell and associate the words with the pictures. A girl, an old man, a mouse, a bird, a toddler. All right, so you can see again, it keeps track of what you've gotten correct, what you need to work on, and then you continue and through all of the words, and it kind of tracks progress. Okay? All right, that's that. It's a wonderful little way to learn how to spell.